The Multivac TX tray sealer packs fresh foods, such as vegetables and fruits, meat, sausages, fish, poultry, and dairy products to ready-made meals. Robust and space-saving mechanical construction and innovative control with Traffic Manager and multi-sensor controller give the product maximum flexibility and uncompromised reliability, even at maximum power and continuous operation. Multivac vacuum machines with conveyors are the optimal solution for automatically packing large loads into bags. Our conveyor vacuum sealers impress with their high production, output, and packaging quality, even at maximum load during continuous operation. So this is the way to create burger meat pieces. Design the best solution to streamline your breaded products manufacturing process. We can help you design a complete solution, from frying to deep freezing of processed products and packaging your products. Compared with traditional cutting machines, ultrasonic cutting machines have a more uniform cutting surface. Tipper tie scissors, a great helper for those who want to cut everything into pieces. Whether you want a sharp or gentle cut, Tipper has it all. Video records the impressive transformation process from chicken carcasses into useful products, giving viewers a visual insight into this innovative method. High-quality meat grinder plays an essential role in food processing, providing powerful performance. The blade is made from high-quality materials such as stainless steel and titanium, ensuring sharpness and durability, making it easy. Papaya fruit and vegetable washing machine is an important piece of equipment in food processing plants designed to remove dirt, bacteria, and other residues on the surface of fruits and vegetables, ensuring that they are clean and safe to use. Ellis and Grantorino peach sorting machine is known as an effective and advanced solution in classifying and processing peaches. With high flexibility and advanced technology, this machine enhances production efficiency and product quality. Bright yellow tangerines bring a fresh aroma and characteristic sweet and sour taste. The fresh and nutty flavor of mandarin makes it a popular choice in creating desserts, juices, and cocktails. Have you ever wondered how to build a beautiful and sustainable house? Let's explore and apply to create your perfect living space. Can you imagine processing thousands of avocados every day without any manual intervention? The automatic butter processing robot solution is the realization of this seemingly impossible thing. With an advanced robot system, the butter processing process is carried out completely automatically. This is a modern citrus sorting machine with the function of cleaning products before being sent to supermarkets. The pickle processing line is a complete automation system that helps optimize the pickle production process, from preliminary processing to packaging of finished products. This system brings many outstanding benefits